This means travelling over multiple pages of the atlas and may require the use of a motorway. We will run through an example question of Commercial Road to Sevenoaks. You will use the index to find the start and the end location, then identify these on the pages of the map. You'll have to list every single road you take in the correct order, using left, right and forward to indicate the direction travelled. Any exits and roundabouts also have to be listed. And you will have to use page continuation symbols. This module will assess your ability to plan and write a route between those two locations. Module 4, example question. Step 1. We then turn to the index and find our starting point and our end point of Commercial Road. We have already done this for you, so the details are page number 91 and grid square 44WB. Identify the end location of Sevenoaks. This is an area which is located in the street section of the index and is coloured in blue. Once we have Sevenoaks, write down the page number 203 and the grid square of 97 kd. Now we turn to the inside cover, using it as in module 2 and 3 to plot our journey and show us the exact page numbers we need to land on along our route. So, we locate the boxes with the matching page numbers of starting our endpoint. So box 91 and box 203. Looking at box 203, where Sevenoaks is located, we can see that there is a motorway. This is the M25. We need to trace this M25 to its source. By doing this, we can see the M25 starts at box 141. Now that we know this, we can plan our route to box 141. And from there, we would enter the M25 and take that straight to Sevenoaks. We now turn to our starting location of Commercial Road on page 91 at the grid square of 44WB. From page 91 we need to travel to page 92. We start our journeys by writing start at Commercial Road, then write forward Commercial Road. We use the page continuation symbol to take us to page 92. We now continue our journey on page 92. We would write forward Commercial Road, forward East India Dock Road, left Brunswick Road, forward Brunswick Road, left Blackwall Tunnel Southern Approach, forward Blackwall Tunnel Southern Approach. We now use the page continuation symbol that takes us to page 115. We then write forward Rochester Way Relief Road, then use the page continuation symbol to turn to page 116. We continue along Rochester Way Relief Road and use the page continuation symbol to take us to page 118. We would then write forward Dartford Bypass. As you can see, this takes us off the bottom of the page, and we use the page continuation symbol to turn to page 140. On page 140 we continue our journey, As we have reached a roundabout, we will need to state which exit we will be taking on the roundabout. In this example is exit 3. After this, we will write forward M25 junction 2. Now that we've reached the M25, we will turn back to the inside cover. All you need to do now is head south on the M25 and finish by exiting at junction 5 for Sevenoaks. Remember, to start in the correct location, follow the route logically in the atlas, do not skip any road or street names, and finish in the correct location. Let's now finish off with Module 5.